First thing you want to do is to crack your egg in a separate bowl. Into a pot of boiling water, you want to add about a quarter teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of white vinegar. That's the secret part for doing poached eggs. Give it a nice stir. Okay, and then gently drop your egg into the water. I turned the water down a little bit after it came to a boil, just so it's slightly simmering. This has been about 2 minutes, so I'm going to roll it on the other side gently. This is another 2 minutes, and it looks like it's ready, so I'm going to take it out with a slotted spoon so all the water can drain. And there you go. There's your poached egg. Oh, that's perfect. Nice and soft.